We were sick and tired of these worn-out spotting boards, and for years, we looked for a replacement, but all the options were terrible and nothing compared to the original Sissel. Of our 11 spotting boards, this one was definitely in the worst shape. And after researching all the spotting boards on the market, we realized that the ones made by Forenta were very well built and our best option. So we reached out to see if they'd be willing to listen to our feedback and make some changes. As it turns out, Forenta said that they were ready to update their spotting board and they were very excited to work with us on perfecting it. We talked with their engineers about the challenges with the current spotting board and what design changes could be made to improve its function. And when they had their prototype ready, our team made a visit to their factory in Morristown, Tennessee. After a quick tour, we got right to work testing the new spotting board and putting it through its paces. We began testing the steam gun for finite control with just a whisper of steam to full throttle wet steaming. It's important to have precise control, and the changes they made to this system were amazing and exactly what we had discussed. Then, we created the dreaded ink stain by putting a pen in a pocket square in the microwave to mimic what happens when a pen explodes in the dryer. By doing this, we were able to show the engineers what exactly happens in real life when dealing with difficult stains. After working the ink stain, we opened up the spotting board to observe how the ink and the chemicals travel through the board. A common problem with spotting boards is splashback, because the chemicals puddle in the bottom of the nose and splash back onto the garment, restaining it. After observing this phenomenon, we started working on a plan to solve the problem. And after we left, the engineers continued to perfect small changes throughout the whole board based on our feedback and their observations. And they created the best spotting board that we believe has ever been built. And that's why we were very excited to purchase the first 11 made and have a destruction party of all the old boards that we took out of service. And Bill was able to take his years of frustrations out on these old boards.